this video we're going to change the air filter here in this Kia Ceed 1.6 engine 2022. Let's get started. So it's very simple. You got this tab here, this right here. That's it. Now you pull this part up. Remove the old filter and replace it with a new one. Out with the old, in with the new. You put it right here in the groove and you aligned both of these pegs. You have these pegs, you need to align it. You align it, and then you can close this tab and this tab. That's pretty much it. This is how you replace air filter in Kia Ceed. This is the diesel version. See you guys like always in the next video.